Hey, how much you wanting on this hammer drill? What the hell are you doing? This ain't no garage sale. I know it ain't no garage sale. You ain't got no garage. It ain't no sale. I'm cleaning my shed out. How much you want? Get off my property. Alright, ain't gonna get crazy on me. I ain't gonna buy nothing from you. I told you, man. They come out of the woodwork. Oh, what am I gonna do? I swear, man. Turn your back for 5 minutes. Somebody's pilfering through your stuff. So you want to move to Arkansas. That's what you got to deal with. Every time you clean something, it's a yard sale. Where'd he go? Probably slashing my tire. I don't trust that dude one bit. Welcome to the channel, guys. Man, am I sore. We're just going to do a little walk around today, if that's okay with you. Because I just put up like a 32-minute video on the other channel. I'll show you what I did here in a minute. Whoo! I'm just taking a walk, stretch myself out a little bit. Yeah. Man, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day out. All right. Take a look. Well, can't do that. I got a new selfie stick and I gotta get used to it. So there we go. Do I gotta edit that out? No, I ain't gonna do it. I've been editing for 2.5, 3 hours. Now I gotta go edit this. That's cool. All right. Let's go. Well, I got a visitor. You know what's nice about this deck? Now that I tore all this off, Tilly, I can sit right there, pet on you girls, or you can jump up anywhere you like. I know. I'll bet you that Melly ain't far behind. She knows you're getting your head petted, yeah. How come your ears are so thick? You know, that ear's a little bit thicker, but you don't have no problems with it. I hope not. All right, let's go take a look at what we did, guys. Oh, nobody knows yet because I haven't uploaded the other video yet. No, I didn't clean up all this junk here. It is just beautiful out. I wish I had that new grill already out of the box. I got to do a review on that. But man, steaks came down. I got 3 big T-bone steaks for 16 bucks. You ain't gonna, but I hope the meat's chewable. The last few steaks I got there are not chewable. What's this pile that we have here? Well, let's see. Let me look in this shed for a second. Well, look at that. You can actually walk around in here now. That's right, I spent almost 6 hours today dragging every single thing out of here, except for what was on the shelves and on the walls, organizing it, taking it out, sweeping the floor, picking up all the screws and the nails that has been dropped, and put it back in. These totes in the back contain tools and things that need to go on this pegboard. I've got a whole box of pegs to go on this pegboard. It doesn't have anything but that square on there. So we're going to get a lot of them put away. Man, this is a big thing off my list because I have been so frustrated when I try to find something. There was just no finding things. I did find my impact sockets that I needed. I have an impact driver. If I get a flat tire on my truck, that's got 8 lug nuts on it. And I don't want to mess with no, tire wrench trying to get them off. I got my impacts, so I got them in there. Yeah, I found them. They were buried in this corner right back here. Man, it feels good to have this done. I'm going to tell you, it feels real good. And I am thinking of Jeff from Bobblehead Homestead. We went shed shopping yesterday. I'm thinking very hard about buying a shed, another shed, or a carport. So I mentioned that on the other channel, but man, it's a toss-up. So I will probably most likely go with a carport, and I think I want to put that right up here, about where that, right where this pallet of stuff is, because look how flat it is here. That'd be the perfect place for a carport. And I don't really want to put it over in here, because look at the angle. But here we could get it pretty level. And I think the lady that used to own this house had one, and it was right here. So, but a carport, I could do woodworking under it. I could pull the vehicles out, set up, and if I had to do any woodworking or any work outside, then it would be perfect for that. So I know I don't like doing these walk and talks, but honestly, guys, I don't have the energy to do anything else. So we're going to get a video out. I don't want to do another live stream tonight. If you missed it, I did a live stream last night because I got home late. And so I couldn't get a video out. I just got the one out. We went to the Puppalooza. It was quite a ways away from here. And hey, it's nice not having them over here. And we can get this all organized and picked up. So there's going to be plenty of work. I'm walking right into the sun. There's going to be plenty of work for the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Yeah. Gotta get used to this big old thing. This selfie stick goes way out here. Let me see. Look at that dude. Yeah, I don't need it stretched that far. This is a heavy camera here, so probably be better if I had the other camera. Yeah, the shed's done. That's cool. But I got to get a lot of work done here in the next few weeks. And that's what we're going to do. All right. And so under that tarp is I'll just go show you. You can see it hanging out there. Is that 1-inch foam insulation that has the foil on the one side. Really good insulation. And I need to get a brick on this side. I've got several 4x8 sheets of it. And I'll show you where we're going to put that. I'm thinking we're going to put it up in here. And that's going to help keep it a little warmer in the winter. I mean, it's a screen patio. But if I want to cover this like I was talking for the winter time, to use this as a room, then it's going to help for that. And I'll go, I'm going to make some little doors that fold down that will have that foam on the other side of the plywood. So when I cover these up, it will also be insulated. And that should make it, and last year I had that foam on these windows and that alone helped. But that should make it where I can run a little heater in here, set up a little workshop. Because I believe I got a laser engraver coming. Turn this light on, it's probably dark. And this would be the perfect room for that. I can set it up, probably not that table, but I'll get a table and set it up on there. And I could come out here and do the engraving. That'd be cool. So, we'll wait and see. They said they were sending it, but I don't see it yet. I got the truck parked way over here because every time I clean my shed, somebody wants to show up like it's a garage sale. It ain't a garage sale. So that's why the truck's here. Here's all, so far, the junk that's going in the dumpster. Yeah, I think I got some stuff left from the grocery store in here. Yeah, paper towels. All right. So I pulled the truck there to block the view, and it didn't work. You'll see that in Dogman video. It did not work. Let me go shut this shed back up, and I got to put some weight on that. Oh, weather has just been perfect. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and lock her up. Feels good getting one of the tasks that you've been wanting to get done for a long time to finally get it done. Yeah, it does. Let's take this rake. We don't hardly have any wind, but let's just lay that dude. Ooh, don't break your brand new turret. Lay that dude right there. That's right. See if the dogs drink all the chicken's water. Yes, they did. They got a little. I got to get them some water. We'll do that here in a second. It's like Waddles is going to town on the corn. That's what they leave. But when it gets colder, they want to eat that corn. So it must be going to be. It was 36 degrees this morning. 36 degrees. She was warm because I stuffed a bunch of pine chips in your dog houses, huh? And you guys were back in, or together in one dog house. Yeah. You're just scratching the scratch. Alright. Well, look who finally shows up. Oh, I got a new selfie stick and you're scared of it. Come here. Yeah, you know it ain't gonna get you. You know. Silly girls. When it gets cool, you guys start getting silly. Yeah, silly. Alright. I was trying to make a video. I didn't have to edit. And I cussed. So now I gotta edit it. Let me put this in here. What else I gotta get done? Believe I got a bowl left. Gotta get this room clean for one thing. Yeah, I need to dehydrate these things. Habanero peppers. Boy, did that plant produce this summer. Oh man, probably 5-6 harvests. I've got like 3 big 2-quart jars full of those dehydrated. I was looking for that bowl. There it is. So that's my plan in here. I got to get that up this week. That styrofoam off there. And I don't think it's enough to do this whole thing. You know what? It would be if I just took the entire 4x8 sheet and nailed it on there. That might be the better plan. Then I can take it down real easy if I decide to do something else. And it would cover more ground. And it's plenty high enough. So yeah, I think there's 4 or 5 4x8 sheets. So 2 of them. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it would do most of it. And then I've got enough smaller pieces, 4-foot pieces, to finish it. So it would cover the whole thing. And it would be much faster than cutting that stuff. That stuff makes a mess when you cut it. Alright guys. I don't care if this video is 20 minutes. I put a 31-minute video up on the other channel. So, hey man, we're good. But I think it's pretty close to that. Let's go see what these puppies are doing. That'll add a few minutes. Alright, I don't know. Well, they're not. Oh, Lily's in here. Yeah, they're in here. What are you guys watching? Oh, goodness.
Sometimes you just can't reach.
You're watching goats riding a donkey. And what is this? A bird pecking on a dog's butt. Look at this dog tiptoeing. You dogs are silly. And yes, he's watching. See? You guys are tired, ain't you? All right, guys, thanks for watching. Remember, like, subscribe. This was for a good cause this month. It's for 50% of my revenue goes to Furry Tales Rescue. And they had their big event yesterday. I wanted to get some footage on this channel. There just wasn't much footage because it was just mostly, you know, where there really wasn't a situation where, you know, you could film. And I'm not good at filming in public. I don't like doing that. So thanks for watching, guys. Happy trails. I'll see you tomorrow.